Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. So, let's dive right in. Open your Google Sheet and locate the data range you want to analyze. This could be an entire column, specific rows, or a defined block of cells. Highlight the chosen data range, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Format. In the drop-down menu, select Conditional Formatting. A pop-up window will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll tell Google Sheets what criteria to use for identifying duplicates. Under the section titled Format Cells If, choose Custom Formula Is. Here's the magic. Enter the formula COUNTIF A2 semicolon A10 to A2 1. This formula instructs Google Sheets to count the number of times the value in the current cell, A2 in this example, appears within the specified range. If the count is greater than 1, it indicates a duplicate. Click Done at the bottom of the pop-up window. And that's it! By using this method, you can find duplicates in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.